Hey friends, it's been a minute, but it feels so good to be back here. How are you guys doing? I trust you're well and safe. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. I really appreciate it. For those of you who have followed me on Instagram and are subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. For those of you who are yet to follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so that you get notified anytime I post out a new video. So today I'm here to talk about advanced parole work authorization as well as expediting this request or applications with the USCIS. So if you want to know about it, please stick around to the end of this video. But before I go right into it, let me introduce myself again. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Tina Oba. I'm an immigration attorney. I handle a variety of immigration cases, including green card applications, asylum, citizenship removal, fiancé or work visas, and as well as a host of other immigration cases. Please do well to reach out with your immigration case. I'm more than happy to assist you. Thank you guys so much. So let's dive right into it. What is advanced parole? Advanced parole is a travel document that allows someone living in the US while awaiting their green cards to travel abroad without nullifying their green card applications. When should you apply for an advanced parole? Ideally, I would advise that you apply for advanced parole when you're putting in your green card application. Why? Because an emergency could arise anytime. You don't want to wait till the point that the emergency arises and then you start applying for advanced parole or a travel document. You want to be armed with it. So should the need arise, you're easy to just get up and move, right? So you don't want to be delayed. You don't want to be further delayed because a need as a reason, and now you have to start putting in a travel request to the USCIS. So I would advise that you put it in the moment you're applying for your green card. Yes. Also, can you travel without a travel document? It's not advisable. You don't want to do that because when you travel, it's deemed that you've abandoned your green card application. So you want to have the proper document to travel, and then so that you can come back in. At best, if you travel without a work authorization, two things could happen. At best, it means that you would have to refile and pay the filing fees again. At worst, it could mean that you will not be allowed back into the US. So you want to play safe. You want to get a travel document. Also, can I expedite my advanced parole? Absolutely yes. And a lot of people don't know this. They think that, oh, you put in a request with the USCIS, you have to sit down and wait for them. No, you can expedite your application. So what does it mean to expedite your application? You're basically telling them that don't take 3 to 5 months to answer me. Take 2 weeks to 1 month to answer me. And yes, that's what it means to expedite your application. So you're going to if you want to know how to expedite your application, you want to reach out, I'm more than happy to assist you. You write to the government basically and tell them why they need to answer you faster than the normal time frame. So that can be done, and typically you will hear back within 2 weeks to a month. Actually 2 weeks really. Yes, you will hear back from them within 2 weeks. Also, you want to keep tabs on your biometrics appointment and interview. You don't want to go out of the country and then just sit down and say, oh, I have a travel document, so I'm fine. No, you want to keep tabs. You don't want to miss your biometrics appointment and your interview because this would potentially harm your case or at best delay you. You don't want to be further delayed because you know that the immigration system right now is clogged and is backlogged. So you don't want to be put further down the line by not doing the right thing. So you want to keep tabs when you're out. And lastly, you want to be sure that there is no impediment to your coming back into the country. By that I mean, you want to be sure that you don't have anything that could potentially make the parole officer at the point of entry to prevent you from entering into the country. So if you know that there might be something while they will not allow you in, you might want to consider whether you need to travel or not. So that's that about advanced parole. And if you want to know more, please reach out. I'm more than happy to assist you. So what is work authorization? Like the name implies, is a document that allows you to work. And like advanced parole, you can also expedite your work authorization request. Yes, you don't have to sit down and wait for them for 7 months, 8 months. No. If you have a very peculiar situation, you can tell the government that this is my situation. I need you to answer me faster than you would answer me so that I can get working. And yes, I've done that for a number of my clients and they're happy with the result. They got their authorization faster than the time it would normally take 6 months or thereabout. So yes, you can expedite your work authorization. And so that's that about it. And when should you apply for work authorization, you want to apply the same time you're applying for your green card. That's really the work authorization is derived from your green card application. So you can't just apply for a work authorization with no basis. So the basis for that work authorization is your green card application. So that's the time you should put in your work authorization request as well. So if you have questions, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to assist you, expedite your applications, and put in those applications for you as well. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.